We're at school now. Nandito kami sa Comlab ngayon kasi dito kami mag-exam ng Biostatistics and Epidemiology. The second semester first shift exams. Yeah. Yes. Ipa-perfect ko to, guys. Me too.
Kinakabahan ako kasi feeling ko
Parang
konti lang ng content. Parang hindi kami sanay.
Right now, we are here logging in. It is 1:44. It took us 44 minutes to finish the exam. Some of them are still there. Pero yes.
I love Jesus vlog. I hope you guys promote her more.
We finished the test and then it felt like one of the fastest tests I've ever.
Like, parang may 15 minutes pa nakalipas. Parang, tapos naman ako.
Actually, do you not want exposure?
I'm dead.
Pinaalis na nila kami kasi maingay daw kami. So, nito kami sa labas and it's raining.
Guys, mahal na mahal ako ni Jana.
Hi guys! It's so raining!
Ito po ang struggle ng UST.
Ito talaga, today pa talaga ako nagsabi na hindi ako magdadala ng bag. Ngayon kasi umulan. Okay lang. Hehe. Guys, so dalawang exam ko bukas. So dapat ngayon nag-aaral na ako. I mean, nag-aaral naman na talaga ako ngayon. Right now, tinatapos ko yung flashcards ko for the exam tomorrow. So, dalawang exam ko bukas. PMTP LEP tsaka lab, which is Principles of Medical Technology Practice. So, ayun. Morning. It is currently 7 a.m. 8 ang exam ko. So it's time for us to go to school. Start na exams na. Tapos na ang first exam. We are done with the last exam of the day.
Hydrostatic pressure daw. Wala naman yung sa choices.
How was the exam?
I think lab is easier than leg. Pero mas marami akong unsure sa lab.
They're going to 24 Chicken and I'm going home kasi gusto ko na umuwi. Uwi na ako, matutulog ako, tapos mamaya mag-aaral ako kasi exam na naman bukas. Anong exam natin bukas? Histo lab and leg.
Nakamas ako because I'm sick. Bro, this is, effect ng exam week.
Lumabas to kanina sa exam. Pag yung colored part yung nasa harap, ano meaning?
You're protecting yourself from, getting infected. That's why this is the wrong thing. I should be wearing the white.
Baliktad dapat. Pero sabi nila, like, di ba sabi ng mga daw, wala naman daw pa kaya, kasi pareho rin naman na like, magbablock naman siya ng... Pero yun, by the book, pag daw colored yun nasa harap, then, you're protecting yourself from infection.
We're on the way.
Yun, alis na ako. Separate na kami. Bye, guys!
Bye!
Ingat! May meeting kami. We're going home. Guys, today ang third exam natin for the shiftings exam. So, today yung histo. Nag-aaral na ako kagabi. Tapos, pagkatapos nag-aaral kagabi, natulog ako. Nag-aaral ako kanina morning, natulog ako ulit. So, all in all, naka 8 hours siguro ako natulog. Let's go! Pinag-pray ko naman na sana mataas ako sa exam ko. So, ayun. Trust Allah. Di Allah na bahala sa akin. Amin. Bye!
Guys, na-late ako sa exam. Ano yung light source ng bright field microscope? Tungsten. Letter T.
It's raining. Nagpapaulan na naman ako. Kasi, tanga-tanga, nagpa-drop ako sa baba kasi sabi ko may bibilin ako. Nagpa-drop ako sa labas ng bahay kasi sabi ko may bibilin ako. Umuulan pala. So this is me reconnecting with nature after that histology exam. Hindi ako yung type na like mag-obsess sa like answers ko after ng exam unless I made a stupid mistake which happened earlier. Haha! Guys, pro tip, huwag nyo ina-overthink ang question. Real. Huwag nyo ina-overthink ang question dyan kaya matadali. So ayun, I'm walking home in the rain which is fine. Hi guys, today is the last day of exams. Alam mo, puro ikaw ba yung ang kasama ko kapag nagbibigay? As in, like kapag panalo mo, siguro ikaw lang lahat. Gets mo ba? Nanogram, microgram, milligram, gram. Para mabasbasan ni Sir ang aming scores.
Okay na to.
Wow!
Last time, pinupunas mo yung panyo nyo eh. Kaya, no?
Mapaperfect na namin yung ano.
Oo, mapaperfect yan. Dali-dali.
Pwede pa kuskus na eraser.
Guys, we are done with the shiftings! Tapos na kami! I say hi. Vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover. Oh my God! So, maeme talaga kanina yung exam. The instructions were like, boom, kabush. But, you know, as long as you don't overthink it, you're all good. Okay. So, this is the end of our vlog. We're going somewhere. I don't know where. Saan nga yun, Iza?
Sa Namo!
ikaw na.
Namo.
Hello! Today, maglalakad kami ni Baba. This is a father-daughter date because he's here in Manila and syempre, para may maglibre sa akin pagkatapos ng exams ko.
Baba is shocked na meron ng cafe ang Uniqlo. May parent ako today, so syempre, wala tayong gastos. Guys, we're currently at Burger King. Tingnan niyo yung sukli sa akin. We are at S. Mason and manood kami ng sine. So, Baba dropped me para makabuy na raw ako ng tickets and then he's going to park. So, yan.
May shoot ako dito.
Mag-shoot ka dito? Sa Manila? What? Mag-golf ka. We are done with the movie. How was the movie?
Yeah.
3.